welcome to the game, and I'm terrified because I'm terrified of horror games and horror movies, all of that stuff, because I just get scared really easily, and
I'm here to laugh.
Aaron laughs at me for it.
Yes. I do.
So thanks. He's ready to die.
You're ready to die. I'm here to watch.
Woo. You ready, Aaron?
Yeah. I'm ready to watch you die.
Thanks. We're skipping the tutorial because tutorials are for losers. I'm joking. Okay, so this is gonna go so well.
You could do it.
Shut up. Now, there are things about a website, which is the Gatekeeper.
Mm-hmm.
And there are questions that you can actually answer if you write them down.
Oh, okay.
Like some information. But I'm not going to because I'm going to try and remember it off of memory.
Yeah.
But some I will write down if I think it may be in there. So I'm just gonna skim through stuff, you know. Hey, guess what?
What?
Leroy Jenkins.
Oh. Well, yeah. Leroy Jenkins is the best Jenkins.
No, David Michael Leroy.
Oh. Leroy Jenkins.
I'm writing this down like a star. Jesus. The noise! For those of you that don't know, when I watch horror, play horror, all of that stuff, it's the noise that gets me the most. I hate it. Oh, it didn't work this time. Oh, great.
Not this again.
Read it.
Alright. Hold on, let me get this full screen for me.
Hail Satan, Lord of Darkness, King of Hell, Ruler of the Earth, God of this world, God who invites us to become as one. Muse of our simulation, dread enemy of his tyrant God, Satan, mighty liberator, bearer of true light, God of our flesh, God of our minds, God of our inmost will. Almighty Lord Satan, teach us to become strong and wise. Teach us to vanquish the enemies of our freedom and well-being.
We are a cult of pathetic Satanists, also known as the devil worshippers. We do not associate ourselves with the ideals of Satanists, such as the ones who follow the principle of no belief in our Lord Satan, but fellow self-love. We believe and worship Satan as a deity. Below you will find links to what we do. Hi, my name's Bob, and welcome to Satan.
There you go. Eventually that'll come my way.
Don't you love me? Stop hacking me.
Because games don't love. Games only harm.
Wait. I'm so confused, what? Oh yeah, there's 30 days to get to the red room. You need 6 codes, all of that stuff.
Wait, you there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it just went silent.
Oh boy.
You can type this up, I believe.
Oops. Those were easy.
Was it easy though?
Yep, I needed that was easy button. Aaron, you gotta help me with this one.
Oh no. Okay, give me a second to load it up. Oh god, not again.
Oh, yes, again.
Bottom. Damn it.
I don't know how I feel about the middle one. I was gonna do this one. Okay.
Try the middle one.
I don't want to try the middle one. But, if you say so. But
Oh!
goddamn.
When I don't even try, I'm like, try the middle one.
Just try the middle. You know, shut up, Aaron. I don't want to be alone in this. I'm scared.
Not my sister still.
I bet you, though. I bet you. It's this one. Oh! Ha ha! Oh, god damn it.
You thought you were on a roll. You're like, ha ha! Oh.
Oh god, I think I have hiccups. Oh god! I have hiccups. This one?
Right, one more.
My name is Aaron. I just know everything. God, I hate you.
No, you don't.
Okay, anyway. Oh, yes. The family drug shop. I want to buy some. Or not.
What are you doing now?
I'm trying to buy drugs.
Oh god.
What?
I said, oh god.
They won't let me buy the drugs.
You okay?
Oh, I heard something.
You better check. You're fine.
It's a DOS. Oh god. Oh. I did it!
Good job.
Thank you. Look, it's forgive me. Okay.
Okay, this is the fun ones. I have this fantasy of, well,
Okay, I'm not. Okay, fine.
I am not human, seriously, but I cannot tell anyone, even my closest friends, because if anyone finds out who I really am, I'll be killed. That's weird. One time I fucked my friend's parents. Kudos to you still, sir. I knew there were civilians in here before I pulled the pin on the grenade that killed 7 people. I walked away and lit a smoke. So he tried to be a badass. I got a blowjob while giving a presentation to this guy. I wish my family and friends were dead just to see if I'd be sad. Screw me. That's interesting. I want to kill my mom so bad. I want to fucking knife her. I expose myself in a public place. Those are called flashers. Oh god, no. All the things I'm not into.
Oh,
Except
ew,
for-
furries.
Except, okay, no, I'm not into scrat. I'm not into water sports. Panties are interesting. Okay, yeah, no, I can never be into scat and water sports.
What is that?
Scrat?
Yeah.
2 girls, 1 cup. Water sports is just peeing on each other.
Ah, take that, man. I think...
The music from the game, or...
We have 20 more days.
You can do it.
Let's check the gatekeeper.
The gatekeeper.
What are the
Okay,
first 4
first-
letters for Legion's hash message?
Bottom left.
Liar. Really?
Yeah, that one seemed very confusing.
Gosh. We're gonna keep trying with the gatekeeper.
There's another DDoS one.
Yeah, it's another DDoS. Finally.
Oh, first try, nice.
Thank you. LSD.
Cheapest place to purchase heroin. Who has the most experience? Expensive AR-15. Ugh.
I am not good with the DOS ones, dude.
No, it takes a lot of planning ahead.
Weed post. Well, there's nothing here last time. Jesus Christ.
It's just a lot of planning ahead. It's annoying.
Whoa, it's been going for 30 minutes.
Oh god.
I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, boy.
Bye, boy.